Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to enable your Google Maps Street View. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping a part. So let's get started. First, open your Google Maps on your device. Then, tap on the layer icon which is right below the shopping button. Here you can see two different sections. One is Map Type and another is Map Details. Now, tap on Street View, which is under Map Details section. Then close this menu. And here, as you can see, we have enabled our street view and all these streets are shown in the blue color. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.